Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me today. In this video, I'll be showing you all how I get my go-to glam makeup. This is a super easy makeup look. The eye makeup consists of about 2 or 3 eyeshadows and the eyeliner and lashes are completely optional. The entire look is quite neutral and any lip color goes with these eyes. You can modify from day to night very easily. You just need to intensify the colors according to your choice. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. So as always, I have prepped my eyes with concealer and setting powder, and now I'm going in with this light color into my crease. This color is barely visible and it's completely optional. You can directly go into your 2 eyeshadows. That is the next one which I'll be using is a PAC's eyeshadow in PP19. It's a pigmented sparkly eyeshadow. I normally like to use MAC's Woodwink, but I couldn't find Woodwink. I don't know where it went, but normally I like to use that or any bronzy color on my eyelid. So instead I'll be going in with this eyeshadow which is closer to Woodwink, I felt, and just cover your eyelids with that. For transition colors, you can use any neutral eyeshadow palette or eyeshadows. So I'm going in with that medium brown color in my outer corner as well as crease with this tapered blendy brush. I'm just going to be placing the color precisely and going in with a fluffy brush to blend everything together. I'm using the same brush that I previously used for the lighter color. I'm adding some more of that medium brown color to my outer corners and I'll be blending it with the same brush. Now this is a very optional step. I'm taking the darkest brown and adding it to the outer corner and I'll be blending it out to give out a smoky effect. I'm using that same fluffy brush to blend it out, just working in the outer corner and then dragging it slowly into the crease. I don't want to add too much of it because it's giving that very slight smoky effect which I like. I'm using a clean fluffy brush just to blend out any harsh edges and adding some more of that PAC eyeshadow onto the eyelid. I went off camera and added lashes and the eyeliner, and that's it for our eye makeup. Then I sprayed on some Fix Plus to hydrate my face, and I'm going in with Lakme primer to prime, and then I'm taking MAC Strobe Cream for the glow. I'm going to be using this strobe cream on my high points of my face, and the remaining I'll be mixing with MAC foundation in NC40. You can see I'm just mixing with the remaining strobe cream. I'm just blending everything together with my beauty blender. To hydrate my lips, I'm using Nivea's Cherry Lip Balm. This is by far my most favorite lip balm ever. Then I'm taking Kryolan SUPRACOLOR in FS40 and I'm going to be concealing my under eye area as well as wherever pigmentation marks that I have. I'm just using this Real Technique eyeshadow brush, but I use it for my concealer. I have this brush since, I don't know, since forever I think. Then I'm just blending my concealer with the beauty blender. I switched the PAC's mini beauty blender because I think this is perfect to use under your eye area and all those nooks and crannies where the big beauty blender won't reach. Also, this beauty blender makes the product look like your skin completely. So it's one of my most favorite beauty blenders that I have used till now. I think I like it on the same line as my original beauty blender. I'm using Maybelline's FIT ME concealer in Sandpaper to highlight the center of my face. And then I'm using my Ben Nice banana powder to set all that concealer. Then I'm taking Maybelline's Colossal Kajal in Super Black and I'm going to be using this on my waterline. This is again very optional. If you like the whole kajal look in your waterline, you can go with that or else you can skip it. I'm taking Maybelline's Colossal Mascara, and I had already used this on my top lashes and now I'm just using on the bottom ones. Taking the Makeup Revolution's Pro HD Contour in medium dark. I first decided to use this smaller brush which I contour usually my nose with, but then it didn't really work for me on my cheekbones, so I went with my usual brush just to contour, and I'm just blurring out that line. Repeating the same on the other side. I will also be going around the perimeter of my face, that is my jawline and my forehead. I'm not forgetting to contour my nose. I'm using that small brush again, and I'll be blending mostly with my fingers rather than the brush. But this brush is great to precisely apply lines on the nose. For highlight, I'm using Makeup Revolution's Pro Glow palette, and I'm mixing those two colors and applying on my cheekbones and the nose area, all the high points of the face. For blush, I'll be using Wet n Wild's Mellow Wine, and it's a very beautiful rosy kind of color. It looks rosy, but at the same time it doesn't look like an artificial blush. It gives that very natural effect. I'm completely in love with this color. And then taking Makeup Revolution's Pro Fix Spray to set my makeup. For lips, I'm going in with NYX's lip liner in Mauve. This lip liner is like my lips but better kind of color. Like I said previously, you can use any lip color of your choice. For the lipstick, I'm going to take COLORBAR's Kiss Proof Lip Stain in Hot Latte. I don't like the formula of this lipstick, but I love the color. The formula, when it dries up, crumbles slightly, but this color is extremely beautiful. And I don't even remember when I got this lipstick. I have it since ages. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below what you would like to see next, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel because it's free. I hope to catch you guys in my next video. Until then, bye, take care.